Good morning and welcome back. My name is Kyle Strawn here with Hickey Morris Insurance in Delphus. So last week we talked a little bit about what premium was. So we talked about the definition, really what it was. So today we're going to get into a little bit more of how that's arrived at. So let's start with the homeowner side. There's a lot of factors that go into this. Insurance used to be, pretty simple how they'd come up with, these premium amounts. But now there's a lot of factors that go into everything. So with the homeowner side, obviously the cost of your dwelling is going to be a big factor. These companies are now using zip codes. So depending on your zip code, your location, size of the city, theft in your area, those types of things, those can all be driven from that zip code specifically. So that's a big one that plays into it. They use a thing called an insurance score. It is very similar to a credit score. It's not the same thing, but it measures your non-pays, your maybe cancellations in the past, maybe other issues you may have had in the past, as well as a little bit of the credit score that goes into that, but it is not a credit score. They call it an insurance score. Very similar, but that's another factor that goes into it. On the auto side, it's a lot of the same things. You have your insurance score they're using. You have the age of drivers, age of vehicles, whether you have full coverage, just liability, whether the vehicle's in storage. All of those things play into that actual overall premium. So, as the years come and go, you kind of wonder maybe where they come up with these rates. There's a lot of things that go into every premium that's created on both the home and the auto side. So there are a lot of factors that go into it. A lot of times us agents can't really see that, as it's a behind the scenes calculation of the numbers and the data that these companies have covered or came up with over the years to arrive at these premiums that they feel are adequate. So there's just a quick snippet of how they kind of come up with it. If you have questions, if you're concerned about your premium, certainly let us know at any of our locations: Van Wert, Delphus, Antwerp, Convoy, Paulding, and Columbus. So as always, we appreciate you. Thank you and have a great day.